Alright, I realized I wasn't recording for the first day, but I didn't take anything that day. Price action has been pretty bad. You can see. It's a 4-hour chart. From last Wednesday up until now, which is Tuesday, straight sideways, bro. No 4-hour gaps. Literally no hourly gaps within this range right here. We have this large range here, but we're just coming off of lows, coming up higher, and then going back to the lows, and then going up higher. So I want to see price break out of this. I don't really like this price action here. So I just played some 15-minute candles there. So now we're getting some displacement out of that range, which is a good thing, but for this day at least, the draws are pretty far. There's some pretty far draws. Oh wait, I forgot to start off. So November 23rd right now, and I'm doing August 7 to August 11. August 7 didn't get anything, and then August 8 is what I'm on right now. So we'll see what price wants to do here. We're coming off this hourly fair value gap. We got these 15-minute fill gaps here. It's 10:29. I really don't think we're gonna get anything good. Oh, this 5-minute IFVG is actually not too horrible. To the 15-minute gap. Bro, 1 hour. It's not bad. Okay, that's it's not the best. Not the best setup. Bro, I should have had risk on that one. Whatever. No SMT. No SMT. 5-minute FVG was honestly okay, it was pretty bad. It's pretty bad. You know, the last like 2 days I just haven't been taking backtesting too seriously, I guess. I mean, no, not that I don't take it seriously, but I'm just kind of like spamming trades, testing things out. And it's been messing my analytics. Just whatever. Bro, are we for real right now? I want to see the 15 minutes and 5 get hit before we short. Look at this price action, bro. 2-minute IVG. I swear, bro, the only reason I'm taking setups is because we're just not getting anything. This price action has just been horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible 2023, bro. Genuinely. 2024 was way better. Because I was there. I was there for 2023 too, but I was trading Forex. Alright. Oh, we hit the 3-minute. This is 100% against the rules. 100%. But we haven't been taking anything. I feel like that's also the reason why I've been taking some bad setups. Or not really bad setups, but just like experimental setups the last 2 to 3 days of backtesting. One, because I'm tired. Two, don't really take backtesting most serious. I like to collect data that I haven't seen before. But when it's like things that are repeated, it's like, I don't know, just recently, the last 2 days, I've just been trying to experiment different setups. It's not bad. It's a good thing. Get to learn the market a little bit more from a different perspective. But I'm gonna take this one, just cause, honestly, like, literally just cause we're tapping into this 3-minute. I wouldn't realistically take it, but we dumped a lot from market open, so I'm thinking, okay, we could at least get a rebalance. If anything, we inverse this 5-minute, and then we get higher, but see. Nope. Nope. Completely slammed my stop. So that's why, okay, see. Now I'm getting reps for when not to take a trade. Oh, wait, we didn't even inverse it? Am I tripping? Oh, wait, no, we did. We inversed it 2-minute. So, that's why you don't take a trade when it's not the highest time frame. Tapping at this 3-minute here, and the inversion at a 1 tick, literally 1 tick fair value up. We're not coming off on anything significant either. Other than this, but I don't even know if we have a PDRA to the left of it. We don't. Don't. It's crazy. Crazy. Alright. I feel like this backtesting session is going to be a what not to do session. Dude, what is this music, bro? I just don't want it to be silent, so I'm putting NCS music in the background. And I'm eating too. Hold on, let me get a bite. Okay. Okay. I'm just eating, but we tapping this 5-minute here. Okay. Hey, real quick. Point something out. Throughout this entire price action, I know I'm risking 1% per trade here. I keep forgetting that I'm gonna de-risk when price action isn't good, but realistically, IRL, live market, I am de-risk and way more cautious in this type of bracket price action. Like I'd say half of the trades that I took here at full risk is like trades that I wouldn't normally take. I would like put more thought into it, put more caution into it, just because of how like bad the higher time frame is, right? We're moving like sideways, like down from a 4 hour perspective. We also have this sell side here that we just like, we're not continuing to go to. All right. I don't know if maybe ES took it out. No, ES did not take it out. We're not coming off a 4 hour, other than this tiny 4 hour, which is like still unreasonable. Like so small. We inversed this daily fair value, but now we're trending higher. You know what I mean? It's not price action I like. But we have this internal high here. What I'm seeing is we tap into this 5 minute. We have low resistance liquidity generated, and the problem with this trade, we don't have any SMTs, which is not a bad thing. It's added confidence, but the inversion is just there's none. Okay, other than the 30-second, it would be right here off this fair value, yeah, but just the price action moving up to it is pretty slow. It took 6 candles to even get there, so we just kind of move sideways from this point on. But could play out. Not something I would take personally. Yeah, it's just super choppy, and the time of it is 10:30. It's Thursday, so we're gonna go next day. I think I'm gonna start a different year after this one. I started 2018, but I think it's way too far back because the candles are just they don't look good. They look they look like they couldn't get all the information of the candles. So I might just do like 2022 or something. Cause yeah, this price action is just not good. Okay. Alright, we came back down. So this is the clearest drawn liquidity. Once we price come back into this 15-minute for value up, get a reaction off of there. We also have this 5-minute intermediate term high here. Alright. No 1 minute gap, no 2 minute, no 3 minute, no 4 minute. Okay, we get a 4 minute inversion here. It would have to be a 5 minute too, but it is 9:30 Judas. So I would honestly, okay, I mean, just taking setups at this point. Break even's gonna be here. Coming off the sell side level. I don't even know if we're coming off a gap. We're not coming off a gap. We're not coming off a gap. Alright, absolutely nothing. I'm gonna skip out on this. We'll just watch it instead of actually taking it. We'll just watch it. 9:30 opens lower. Then looking for that high close into the 5 minute intermediate term highs and then the 15-minute unfilled gap. Yeah, what you would have gotten stopped out there. And the TP gets hit. 10:24. Price does absolutely nothing. Pull back into here, right? But we also tap into the 15-minute for value. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that is the 15-minute for value. So we tap into the 15-minute. Then we get this, Reaction down this 5 minute. Respect it. Actually, this could have not. This could have been a pretty solid trade, I'd say. We have this intermediate term high here, and then 1 minute inverse. 2 minute, no, just a 1 minute. Just a 1 minute inversion here. To that 5 minute high. Not horrible, but just not the price action I like. It's gonna be the shortest backtesting session that I post. It's just not feeling it today, bro. But I still showed up to this one. Not feeling it in regards to price action. Not feeling it in regards to price action. You know what? I'll do one more week. I'll do one more week. Just because price action was bad. And then I'm going to look for a different year to backtest. We're already on August of this year. It's not getting good PA. August 14th to August 18th. I'm going to go a little quick on this. Alright, so sell side. It's my drawn liquidity. So coming off this hourly here. Once we price tap back up into this intermediate term high before moving lower. See if we can get there. Or we got there. Also tap into a 5 minute. But ES is super close to these lows down here, which is the problem. Is that a 4 minute? A 4 minute inversion. Do we have 5 minute? And it's a 5 minute too. See if we can inverse this into 2 minutes. 1, 2. No, we respect it. And we get SMT at the low. Get a race lead with the highs. It's 9:55. We have a 2 minute inversion. Like, we're taking out these draws before actually getting anything. I mean, we got London high up here, but it's pretty protected. And then we have SMT at this high, and we have SMT at the low. We have this 15-minute value gap. It's just not clean. We took out this internal high as well. So there won't even be a setup here that would be good. If we come back into the range here after taking out this high, don't like this price action. Okay, it's 10:30. Okay, we got a 5 minute for value open up. We got London high up there, so it's gonna be something good. Nope, we just take out London high. 10:51. A 5 minute inversion. There's no 1 minute. 2 minute inverse, but we had another 2 minute. We had a 3 minute. We had a 4 minute. And then we had 5 minutes to get inverse here. See if this works for a 1-1. Nope. Didn't work. Why did it not work, right? This video is going to be titled What Not to Do. Why did it not work? We took out London high. I didn't check if we're in a gap. We also took out this high, so that's a good thing. Okay, we took out intermediate term high within a gap. Other than that, that's pretty much it. And then we have this 15-minute. Okay, so the 15-minute for value gap is super close from your entry. You would go break even here. So just by that, your R&R is not good because your stop needs to be up here at least. And then your break even would be here. So you're literally, yeah, that's horrible, right? Absolutely horrible. And it's what 11:10, so we're past session, right? So there's just a lot of things of what not to do, right? To not pattern trade inversions, pattern trade these setups. Go to next day. Don't want to take too long. Still gotta eat lunch. Okay, we're going to this high right here. We're coming off this low right here. Okay, I'm a little bit more bullish. Finally have something to go off of. Finally have something to go off of. So if we could create a imbalance of some sort to go higher, that'd be perfect. We already have one here. Alright, we take out our draw. We resweep the high. Get a 30-second inversion. We also tap into that 15-minute already, so I don't like the draws here already. Just by that. Next draw would be this hourly unfilled. So we're ranging between this hourly and this hourly down here. And then we have this fair value gap. Automatically don't like it. Tap into the higher one. No inversion. Get a 5-minute fair value gap opened up. We got this 5-minute. It's targeting the lows below. Yeah, 30-second inverse right here. Closes super low. So, let's see. Okay, that's the inversion entry. This would be super discretionary. Ooh, okay, I bet. Okay, I'm in there. TB there. Said it was not horrible, but here's what I saw. We tap into this 15-minute up here, and then we get a resweep into the 5-minute, and we continue to respect that. Price looked like we were going to inverse this 15-minute, and we have this sell side down here, and it's still intact on the ES, and then we also had SMT with this high. And then on the 5-minute, oh wait, no, I already explained that. We tap into the 5-minute for value up. Oh, was that the hourly? Oh yeah. We tap into the 5-minute for value up here, we create a new 5-minute, and then we inverse this 5-minute here. Come back into this 5-minute for value up here, and then we get this order block. So we get that the inversion was super low, so I didn't like the R&R there if you were to enter off the close. So instead, waited for price to come back into the IFEG, which is also within the 1-minute order block. It was also a 2-minute. I don't think it was a 3-minute too, so I really like this one. It's a really nice level. 4-minute, no, 4-minute, so it's 3-minute. And so within this level is also a 1-minute for value gap right here. And so waiting for a pullback there. Just your simple, it's also a breaker block if you look at it that way. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. Simple price action, right? Break structure or market structure shift. pull back into a fair value gap, order block, and then short lower to sell side levels. That's all for that one. Actually, wait, no, it's only 9:58. Just keep shorting to these lows. Yeah, the draw is pretty correct. Correct, I'd say this was one of the better trades within the last 4 weeks. Back to sit in 2023. We had actual confluences behind it. The only thing I'd say is sketch is that we came off this hourly, but based off the reaction we got off this higher one was pretty solid, and the SMT too, and the inversions and the sell side being intact on both assets. We did have SMT. Oh, we didn't even have SMT at this low down here, so now we have SMT here, this low. So price could just slow down from here. Yeah, just slow down there. Go next day. See, I don't like price action like this. We come up to this high, and then we inverse this hourly for value gap. We didn't tap into anything up here, so we inverse an imbalance, and then we continue going in the direction that was supposed to be in line with this imbalance here. And these draws are already hit. I mean, it's already about to be 11. Like, I don't even need to check the other time frames because you just already tell when price is going to be bad. Inversed. Draw taken. SMT at your lower draw. Alright. 15-minute. Wiki. Not respecting anything other than this, right? If we're going to get a reaction off of these imbalances, it would need to be immediate. What do we get, right? We get price come lower, come back up, come lower. Get this price move, we come up, come lower, come back up, come lower, come back up, come lower. Just by that alone, it's just clear PA. That's just not going to be good. Or it could be a sign that price after 11 is going to be good. So maybe PM session is good. Alright, this PM session was bad. AM session was good on Tuesday. We get a dump, clear sell side. Would be this low here. We're in this 4 hour. We inverse hourly. So again, just PA I'm not a fan of. Technically still respecting this 15-minute, but yeah, it's 9:30. I gotta pull back to a 5-minute for value gap, or maybe even a 15-minute. It's right here. Take the draw. 10:49, 10:59, no setup. Five-minute inversion. Honestly, just gonna go lower just based off price action. We don't go lower, tap into the higher 15-minute. Soon. Do that. 5-minute inverse. Let me get lower. So I'm noticing AM is just not offering anything and PM kind of does. Go to the next day. And this 4 hour. This whole leg as a whole is just not good. I just skipped the entire AM session in like 5 seconds and clearly we got nothing. Coming off this 4 hour in this hourly here. Price dumped from overnight session about 200 points. Just easy to identify. I don't like when my key levels are this far away, right? Not that it's a bad thing, but I need better lower time frame levels, but we've just been dumping this entire time. But yeah, Amanda's here. It's August 14th to August 17th. Got one trade, one loss too. Okay. 3%, 3%, not bad. Alright.